Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The Best Quiet Packing Tape is probably one of the most underrated yet essential tools for anyone who frequently ships packages, whether for personal use, a small business, or even just moving house. Imagine the relief of sealing up boxes without that jarring, disruptive ripping sound that echoes through your home or office, making the entire process significantly more pleasant and less stressful for both you and anyone nearby, especially in shared living or working spaces where noise can be a major concern. Number 5. Scotch Sure Start Packing Tape with Dispensers. Tired of struggling with packing tape? Introducing our innovative tape that unrolls easily and smoothly, so you can find the end instantly. Say goodbye to frustrating searches and hello to stress-free packing. Our tape provides a strong, durable hold to keep your packages securely sealed. It's designed to withstand rough handling, giving you peace of mind that your items will arrive safely. Experience frustration-free packing with tape that unwinds smoothly without slivering or splitting. This ensures a seamless experience, making your packing jobs much easier. Enjoy a quiet unwind, perfect for any environment, whether at home or in the office. The Easy Start feature means you'll never lose the end of the tape again. This clear tape is ideal for shipping packages, sealing moving boxes, or storing seasonal items. It's the perfect solution for all your packing needs. Each roll comes with a convenient dispenser featuring fallback tabs. This ensures the tape stays ready for your next use, preventing it from falling back onto the roll. What we like? This tape offers an easy start and a quiet unwind, making your packing tasks less frustrating. If you're looking for a convenient solution that comes with dispensers and minimizes noise, this is a great choice for home or office use. What people say? Tape is thick and holds great. It's clear. Used for boxes, papers, craft envelopes, etc. Quality dispenser to apply tape easily. Use less tape with this packaging design. It holds really well without splitting or peeling. The adhesive is strong, and it makes packing orders quick and easy. Number 4. Scotch Sure Start Packing Tape. Tired of struggling to find the end of your packing tape? This tape unrolls smoothly and easily, saving you time and frustration. Ensure your boxes stay securely sealed, even during rough handling. Its strong, durable hold provides reliable protection for your belongings. Experience frustration-free packing. This tape unwinds smoothly every time, without annoying slivering or splitting, making your packing jobs easier. Enjoy a quiet and easy start every time you use it. The quiet unwind is perfect for both home and office environments. Ideal for shipping packages, sealing moving boxes, or packing away seasonal items. It's the clear choice for all your sealing tasks. This tape is designed to be a perfect refill for your Scotch brand packing tape dispenser. Get back to packing quickly and efficiently. What we like? Get more tape for your money with this longer roll, offering the same easy start and quiet unwind you love. If you're a frequent packer or need to seal many boxes, this option provides excellent value and convenience. What people say? It's noiseless. While small, it is an awesome quiet tape. Yes, you don't hear the roller or rip of the tape when pulled off. Tape quality is good for packing, which is what it was bought for. Great thickness and stickiness so things didn't have to be wasted to pack. Number 3. Scotch Box Lock Packing Tape with Dispensers. Ensure your boxes stay securely sealed with our extreme grip packing tape. It comes with dispensers for convenient application, making packing a breeze. Our advanced adhesive sticks instantly and creates a secure seal that holds strong, even through rough handling. It's designed to keep your packages protected. No matter the box type, our tape sticks instantly. It adheres reliably even to harder to stick 100% recycled boxes. This carton sealing tape resists slivering, splitting, and tearing. You can trust that just one strip on each seam is enough to keep your boxes sealed. This crystal clear tape is ideal for all your packaging needs. Use it for shipping packages, sealing moving boxes, or packing away seasonal decorations. The included dispenser features fallback tabs to ensure the tape stays ready for your next use. This makes application simple and efficient. Start your packing, shipping, and moving with confidence. Choose the #1 selling packaging tape brand for reliable performance. What we like? Experience an extreme grip that ensures boxes stay securely sealed with just one strip. If you're dealing with challenging box materials or need the strongest possible seal for shipping, this tape is your go-to solution. What people say. This tape tears smoothly and effortlessly, allowing for a clean strip with just one quick pull. This tape has an incredibly strong grip. Once it sticks, it really sticks. It applies smoothly, cuts cleanly, and doesn't split or wrinkle like cheaper packing tapes. Number 2. Scotch Sure Start Packing Tape 8 Rolls. Tired of struggling to find the end of your packing tape? This tape is designed for an easy start, unrolling smoothly every time. Ensure your belongings are safe with a strong, durable hold. It provides a reliable seal, even when your packages face rough handling. Say goodbye to frustrating moments. This tape unwinds quietly and smoothly, preventing slivering and splitting for a hassle-free packing experience. Whether you're shipping items, sealing moving boxes, or storing seasonal decorations, this clear tape is the ideal solution. Keep your tape dispenser ready to go. These rolls are perfect for refilling your Scotch brand dispenser, ensuring you're always prepared. This package includes 8 rolls, each measuring 1.88 inches by 54.6 yards. You get plenty of tape for all your packing needs. What we like. This option provides extra long rolls, meaning fewer changes and more continuous packing. If you have a large volume of items to pack and prefer the ease of an easy start and quiet unwind, this is an efficient choice. What people say. The tape is easy to dispense and trim. It is thick enough so that it will not split, wrinkle or tear. The Sure Start feature really works. The roll unspools quietly and smoothly without that awful tearing sound or the constant hunt for the edge. No more mangled tape, no more wasted strips. Number 1. COSIMIXO 6-pack No Noise Silent Packing Tape. Tired of noisy packing tape disrupting your peace? Discover the COSIMIXO 6-pack No Noise Silent Packing Tape, designed for a truly quiet experience. Experience the difference with tape that's 100% silent and noiseless. It won't disturb others, making your packing task significantly more pleasant. Whether you're packing for the office, moving home, shipping items, or organizing, this tape is your perfect companion. It's ideal for sealing boxes and securing belongings. Designed for convenience, it works seamlessly with standard tape dispensers and guns. Plus, you can easily tear it by hand when needed. With a robust 2.4 mm thickness, it offers a strong adhesive that securely bonds to cardboard, shipping boxes, and cartons. Enjoy its high transparency, thanks to the quality film and glue. It provides a clean finish without compromising on performance. What we like. Enjoy a truly silent packing experience with this noiseless tape, perfect for shared spaces. If you prioritize a quiet environment or need a strong adhesive that's also easy to handle, this tape is ideal for your needs. What people say. It is nearly silent, just as advertised. This tape also seems to have good adhesion. We haven't noticed any difference in stickiness or holding ability versus the tape we were using. If anything, the fact that this tape is thicker and sturdier makes it easier to handle, because it doesn't bunch up on itself as easily. It was strong and very quiet. It did not fray up on the edges and adhered very well to the box I used it with. Easy to peel from roll when the tape fell back down and did not split. Very easy to use, great performance. This tape truly is silent. The thickness of the tape is also better than what I used to buy. It truly made no noise, which was music to my ears. It went on applied smoothly, was strong, not thin, and most importantly it stuck very well to boxes, and even on other items around the house. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.